exercise 34 wants us to translate. We're going to go from Latin to English, and then it also wants us to underline the direct objects. Christios es rex regum. So this means Christ is king. US for Christ, that's that nominative position. So we know that that's our subject. Christ est. You can see that here. He, she, it is. Well, we're talking about Christ. He's our subject, so it's going to be he is. But I wouldn't put Christ he is. I'm just going to put Christ is king, rex, king. The reason rex is in the nominative position as well is because it's describing Christ more fully, and the only thing that separates it is est. So it has to be in the same case as Christios, or otherwise we'd be breaking that Latin rule. So Christ is king. And then we actually have king again, but with a UN ending. And so if we look, I'm sorry guys, that's a third declension. I was looking over in my second declensions and was wondering what had happened. It's a third declension and it's declined like lex. And so the only one that it could be is this genitive plural. So, of kings. Christ is King of Kings. We could also put the here if we wanted. Christ is the King of Kings. The can be left out or it can be included, just however it makes most sense in your brain. And then 9. Christius est rex hominim quod Deus est. As always, if I don't know the sentence and I'm breaking it down and trying to understand it, I'm going to look at my conjunction and I'm only going to look at the sentence before it. Christius est rex hominim. Christ, and he has that US ending, which means he's the subject. So I'm going to put him first. We can always move him if we need to. Christ est, that's he is, but I'm not going to put Christ he is, I'm just going to put Christ is. Christ is rex. We're actually starting the same sentence as we did before. I guess I should have looked at that a little bit more. Christ is king hominim. That's a new word that we've added. It means man. And with that UM ending, it puts it in the plural genitive case. Remember, so therefore when it's that genitive case, I can put of. Christ is King of men. Quod, because Deus est, God est, he is. So I could put because God is, but it probably would make more sense if I use that word he that's contained in this est. So he is. And what is he? He's God. Capital H. I've been doing that a lot here lately. Christ is King of men because he is God.